Hi everybody, this is Dan from Excel Sports Coaching. Here today with my son, Tieri, say hi.
Hi.
And my daughter, Poppy, say hi.
Hi everyone.
Now today we're going to do a bit of a workout. It's a bit of a blast session, so it's going to be high intensity. 50 seconds worth of work followed by 10 seconds worth of rest. We're going to try and show you the different variations so you can go at your level, okay? But this one, hopefully you're going to get a little bit sweaty. It's about 10 minutes worth. Please put on whatever music you feel comfortable with. That gets you kind of going. We're getting ready to start. You ready? You guys ready?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Here we go then. So starting off with, we can either do high marches, which is what Tieri's going to be doing, or we can go into the running, which is what Poppy's going to be doing, what I'm going to be doing. Okay. So we're going to keep it nice and loose, nice and light. Start off with just to get that blood flowing. Perfect. Keep going, Poppy. Loving it. Excellent. We're 30 seconds gone already. We've only got 20 seconds work before we take it back down. And in between each one for that 10 seconds, we're not going to stand still. We're just going to be marching it through. Now you'll notice that my breath will lose itself within there as I get more tired. Okay, that's good. Keep going. Okay, relax, take it just a bit of a walk. The next one we're going to be doing is sealed jumps and jumping jacks. So sealed jumps, dead straightforward. We're going to do 4 of each, so we're going to go out and in, 4, then jumping jacks. For 4, then seals, 1, 2, 3, 4, jumping jacks, 1, 2, 3, 4, seals, 1, 2, 3, 4, jumping jacks, 1, 2, 3, 4, seals, 1, 2, 3, 4, jumping jacks, 1, 2, 3, 4, seal, 1, 2, 3, 4, jumping jacks, 1, 2, 3, 4, seal, 1, 2, 3, 4, jumping jacks, 1, 2, 3, 4, and walk it out. Good so far, guys?
Did you like it that way?
Loved it, always. Next one we're going to do is squat pulses, followed by a jump at the end. So we're going to squat for 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay low on the squat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it out. That's good so far. Shake those up. Those legs should be now feeling nice and warm. We're going to move on to skaters now. So skaters, move up, Poppy. Skaters, we're going to slide to one side and slide back again. So from here we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Keep going, Poppy. 4. If we can't do this one, we're going to jump together, which is what Poppy's doing. Jump together. Or we can hold. If you want to advance it, what we can do is jump to one side, pulse back up, 1, back, up, and over.
Like this?
Perfect. Keep going, Poppy. Love it. Nice. So again, you've got your variation that you can go on with. The idea is to try and land on one leg and hold, land on one leg and hold, one leg and hold, and so on. Don't forget to breathe. 10 seconds left of this one. Keep going, guys. Again, get those arms working and take it down to a walk. Good. Doing well so far. Remember, keep breathing. That's important. Next one we're going to do is 4 backside kicks, followed by 4 heel touches. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4. If that's too hard, keep going, Tieri. that's too hard, keep doing. You can either just do the heel flicks, or you can concentrate on the heel taps. So Poppy, you can just do a heel tap, perfect. If you're okay with that, you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, and take it down to a walk. Wow, amazing, keep going. The next one we're going to do is mountain climbers. So for that we're going to get down on the floor. Okay, hands here, and we're going to work our knees up. Keep going, guys, perfect. If you've got a towel, you might be able to slide your legs up. Keep going, Poppy. Keep going, Tieri, well done. Loving it. I like it, keep going. We're nearly there. Move back, Poppy, if you can. Lovely. 20 seconds left. Keep working. I am sweating. I know. Last 10 seconds left. You should be. You need to work harder. And relax. Walk it out. You're not sweaty, you need to work harder. I'm really sweating at the moment. So the next one we're going to do is what we call front squat jumping jacks. So for this one, I'm going to face this one so you can see the legs. These two are going to face that way. Here, out, and in. Same as Tieri. That way. Out and in. Keep going. Perfect. Out and in. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Don't forget to breathe, Tieri, breathing nice and hard. Well done, Poppy. Out and in. 20 seconds left. Keep going, Poppy. Watch. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it up. Woo. Next one we're going to do. We're going to do a lunge, 4 lunges, followed by lunge jumps. 4 of them. Move out that way a bit. So from here we're going to lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step lunges. 1, 2. Keep going, Poppy. 3, 4. Jump lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it out. One more exercise to go. Poppy, let's go. One more exercise. This one we're going to do high knees, using our arms as well, pumping. So from here, 1, 2, 3. Good. Keep going. High knees, get those arms up, Poppy. Gotta pump it up. Keep going, come on. If you want this a bit harder, we go cross body. If you want to, Tieri, just kind of normal. Tieri, just kind of normal. Good. Keep going, guys. Not long left. We've nearly made it all the way to the end. Should be super happy right now. Keep going. Good. Keep going. One more exercise to do. Do apologize, I'm going to throw a bonus one in there. Keep going, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Might jog it. Here's the next one. We're going to do jogging. And then we're going to do some jumps in between. So when I say jump, you're just going to jump. Ready, so jog. Ready, Poppy, jog. When I say jump, you're going to jump high for 4. Ready, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jog. Good, keep going. Ready, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jog. Good. And again, we're going to get ready to jump. Jump, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jog it out. Keep jogging. And again, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jog it out. Nearly there, guys. Ready, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jog it out. If you want to intensify this one, you can go lower in the jumps. Ready, jump. So go down. 2, 3, 4. Jog it out. Keep going. It's up to you. Keep going. 5 seconds. Jog. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay, walk it out. Well done, guys. Keep walking out. We've got some stretches to do to finish off with. Okay. Whew. Don't know about you guys, but I'm absolutely dripping. Okay, so from here, feet apart. Big deep breath in. Raise it up. And again, down. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. From here, ready, stretch up. Lean forward. And keep going down. Keep going down. Keep going down. Keep those legs straight at the back. Working the hamstrings. Relax. Get your breathing sorted. From here, fold your arms. And just sag down. All right, Poppy, like me. Like me. Like me. Poppy me. From here, just rock gently from side to side. Good. Nice. Keep your feet still. Very well done. Okay, come right up. Excellent. Walk them in. From here, put 1 foot forward. Just stretch those legs a little bit, so push forward. Body nice and straight. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Swap legs. Breathe in. Good. Breathe out. Breathe in. Good. Breathe out. Okay, good. Shake that off. Guys, well done. Hit the pause button when you need to hit the pause button. Rewind. If you can master one stage of that, that's fine. If you're really feeling up for it, go for a second one. Keep revisiting it and enjoy. Thanks, everybody. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, everybody.